from the Shunhao Machines company factory in China. And today I show this is the factory of my very good customer here. And he plays just one small also, but she also doing very good. And even one machine also can invest for your production of this tableware, melamine tableware. You can make so this even more that also you can run in 300-ton machines. So as you can see, the 300-ton machine is almost the best sales in all the customers they choose, and also very good performance for their production. So also very easy for the workers to run and operate these machines. This is a quality assurance for all my customers. We are responsible for the customers' production and also official service. And if you have this demand to produce the melamine or tableware, every now and then, we are welcome to visit our factory in Hong Kong, also in China, and follow Shelly. We are here to wait for you for a visit. Thank you.